Ready to transform your fitness routine and elevate your strength game? Dive into the world of pull-ups, one of the most rewarding exercises you can incorporate into your daily workout. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, pull-ups offer incredible benefits that go beyond just building muscle. Stick with us to discover the top 10 reasons why you should make pull-ups a part of your everyday fitness regime. By the end, you'll be motivated to boost your workouts and join the 30% of fitness enthusiasts who swear by this powerful exercise. Build strength and definition in your chest, shoulders, arms, and core muscles with regular pull-up exercises. Regular pull-ups enhance muscle tone and definition, especially when paired with a balanced diet and comprehensive exercise regimen. Targeting major upper body muscles, this exercise helps beginners build strength and endurance gradually, even with assisted variations. Improve grip strength. Essential for weightlifting and sports like tennis and rock climbing, grip strength benefits from regular pull-ups. It's also useful in everyday tasks like carrying groceries and opening jars. Achieve the coveted V-shape. Many aim for a V-shaped torso characterized by a broader back, bigger arms, and a narrower waist. Pull-ups help achieve this aesthetic by promoting muscle growth and a powerful physique. Boost mental well-being. Strength training, including pull-ups, is linked to better mental health. Studies show improvements in mood, self-esteem, and cognitive function, alongside reductions in fatigue, depression, and anxiety symptoms. Pull-ups target 4 crucial back muscles. Strengthening these muscles is essential for injury prevention, body balance, and overall functional strength. Increased bone density. Pull-ups boost bone density by encouraging bones to deposit more minerals and strengthen their structure. This exercise stimulates muscles to release minerals like magnesium and calcium, crucial for bone strength. Regular strength training like pull-ups helps manage visceral fat, type 2 diabetes, blood pressure, and even alleviates back pain from conditions like fibromyalgia and arthritis. Always consult a medical professional before starting a new exercise regimen. Improve posture. Strengthening back muscles through pull-ups can enhance your posture, making you look leaner and walk taller. However, individuals with severe back issues should consult a healthcare provider before starting. Overall strength and fitness. Pull-ups increase muscular endurance, stamina, and overall fitness. With just your body weight and a sturdy bar, this exercise is accessible to everyone, including beginners. Convenience. Pull-ups can be done anywhere with a high platform or bar. This versatile exercise saves time and can be done at home, making it possible to skip the gym while still getting a comprehensive workout. Commit to daily pull-ups, aiming for 10 to 50 reps throughout the day. Mix in variations like chin-ups, push-ups, bicep curls, and tricep extensions for a well-rounded routine. Ensure to include rest days for muscle recovery and endurance building. Thanks for joining us on this journey to unlock the incredible benefits of pull-ups. If you found this guide helpful, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing your feedback and success stories. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and inspiration. Remember, consistency is key, so keep pushing your limits and watch your strength soar. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.